Punjab's Budget 2025 marks a groundbreaking chapter in the province's digital journey, a journey led with vision, compassion and clarity by Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif.
जब तक पूरे निजाम के अंदर बेहतरीन तब्दीलियां नहीं ले आती मैं आराम से नहीं बैठूंगी इंशाल्लाह.
This budget isn't just numbers on papers. It's a promise to make Punjab smarter, faster and future ready. With over rupees 6.15 billion allocated to key digital initiatives, the focus is crystal clear. Tech for all, opportunity for every youth. The CM IT Park, a rupees 10 billion vision, kickstarted with rupees 5 billion, will become a hub for innovation, startups and thousands of jobs through AI and emerging tech. For governance with rupees 175 million and the CM IT Internship Program worth rupees 180 million. Young minds will shape the system of tomorrow. Add to that Accelerate Punjab and E-Libraries getting rupees 600 million, and we are not just talking digital access, we are talking digital empowerment. From the futuristic Nawaz Sharif IT city to CM Punjab free Wi-Fi, making internet a right to TEFTA courses, AI department in universities and global certifications. It's not just change, it's transformation. Under Maryam Nawaz's leadership, Digital Punjab isn't just a dream, it's happening. This isn't just governance, this is transformation. This isn't just a budget, it's a vision in action.